There are days that don't announce themselves. They simply arrive, quietly meaningful. This was one of those days. Before the gates even fully opened, the children were already there. Some rushed forward with excitement. Others stayed back, observing with cautious curiosity. A few smiled, as if they already knew this day would be special. And somehow, they were right. We came to Tahanan ng Pagmamahal Children's Home in Pasig City to celebrate a birthday, share gifts, and spend time together. But what unfolded was something much richer than a program or a schedule. We began by slowing everything down. The noise faded, the movement paused, and everyone gathered for prayer. Not as a formality, but as a grounding moment. A reminder that before celebration, there is gratitude. The room felt lighter afterward, as if the day had found its rhythm.
The comfort in your spirit, and every day you sing it over.
The Bible study followed naturally. It wasn't rigid or rehearsed. It felt like a conversation. Questions asked honestly, answers shared gently. The children listened in different ways, some with full attention, some quietly, some with expressions that showed they were processing more than they said.
Oh, come be with us, Holy One. Oh, come be with us, Holy One. Anywhere.
Faith here isn't taught to impress. It's taught to guide, and you could feel that in the room.
My home, anywhere I go, and you I find my home. There is nothing like your love. There is nothing and no one above.
Then the tables filled with papers, colors, and possibility. Paper boat making began with simple instructions. Fold here, press there, but quickly became something more personal. Some children took their time, focused and careful. Others folded fast, eager to see the result. A few needed help and accepted it gladly. No two boats turned out the same. Some were bright and bold. Some were soft and simple. Some leaned a little to one side. And somehow, that made them perfect. As crayons moved across paper, stories started to form. Boats were named, destinations imagined, futures quietly drawn into the edges of folded paper. Without realizing it, the children were practicing something important, believing that what they create can go somewhere. Each boat held more than paper. It held intention, it held curiosity, it held hope.
In the dark, I can almost see you clearly. Every day, you're singing over me. Like water, my love runs free. Oh, there is nothing like your love. There is nothing and no one above.
Music arrived soon after. Singing began naturally, one voice at first, then others joining in. Dancing followed, not because anyone was told to, but because joy tends to move the body before it asks permission. Some children danced without hesitation. Some swayed gently. Some laughed at themselves and kept going anyway. No one was watching to judge. Everyone was watching to enjoy.
There I find the comfort in your spirit. And every day you sing it over me. Like water, my love runs free. Oh, there is nothing like your love.
The birthday celebration brought another shift in energy. Candles were lit, wishes were made. The room glowed with anticipation. That quiet moment before everyone speaks at once.
Oh, come be with us, Holy One.
And then laughter broke through again. Gift giving followed, but not rushed, not loud. Each child received something meant just for them. And while hands opened packages, hearts opened too. Not because of what was inside, but because someone remembered them. Someone prepared for them. Someone showed up. That kind of giving lands differently.
There is nothing like your love. There is nothing and no one above. Oh, come be with us, Holy One. Oh, come be with us, Holy One. Oh.
These weren't planned highlights. They were the kind you only notice when you're present.
Holy One.
And when we finally stepped away, it was clear. We weren't leaving empty-handed. We were carrying stories. We were carrying reminders. We were carrying the truth that joy doesn't need perfection. It needs sincerity. Days like this don't change the world all at once, but they change something quieter, something deeper. They remind us that care matters, that showing up matters, that even a folded piece of paper can hold something meaningful.
In the dark, I can almost see you clearly. Every day, you're singing over me. Like water, my love runs free.
If this day resonated with you, there are many ways to be part of what continues here. Support the mission, share the story, extend the kindness. Because sometimes, a small boat made of paper and hope is enough to begin a journey.